Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Tex-Mex dish called shrimp quesadillas. They're perfect for parties, and your friends are going to love them. Here's what you do. Start with 1/2 pound of shredded cheddar and 1/2 pound of shredded jack cheese in a bowl. Add to this 2 tablespoons of diced Ortega chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and a good blast of fresh cilantro. We want to add a little bit of cream cheese to this mixture. Heat a skillet to medium-high. Add olive oil and shrimp. We're going to add julienne onion and some colorful peppers. And now for the fun part. Let's get a blast of tequila. There we go. Now we're cooking. A little soy sauce, a little fresh cilantro, a good squeeze of lime. Take some of the cheese mixture and sprinkle it right over the top of the tortillas. Now we're going to let it cook just long enough for a little bit of the cheese to start to melt underneath. Now we're going to take a little bit of sour cream and we're going to top each piece. Sliced avocado on top of each one. A little bit of tomato salsa. A little fresh chopped cilantro. This is a shrimp quesadilla, awesome party food. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.